Hello and welcome back to the Rugged Rockhound. It's the same day as we found all that nice stuff over there, a fair bit over there. So originally we were going to go in between here and there, but it was where the road ended. It was a bit more of a hike than I was ready to do with what remains of the day, because we probably only have, 3, maybe 4 hours left. So we came up here where we get a little bit closer to the hills. So you can see we've got all this. I have no idea what's here. Coming in, we didn't see really any agate, but we saw a lot of white quartz. Kind of just massive white quartz. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know what we're gonna find. Here's the GPS coordinates to where we're currently parked, because this is the end of the line right here. This is where the fence is. So we brought the side-by-side up to here. And we are just gonna start looking. Obviously, there's probably some really good stuff way back in there, but time-wise, we're gonna focus probably on the closer hills. I probably try there, further in there, maybe up here. Let's get up there and see what we can find. Who knows what's there? So I'm just walking an old road here that's no longer accessible. Just a nice little walking trail, and on it, look what I found. So it's mostly white quartz toward the middle, but along the edge it's more of an orange, and there is a little bit of clear. That's a good start. Hopefully it picks up and I can see stuff on the hill that's white in color. But is it just white quartz, or is it something really nice? We're getting closer. Here's this little piece cut open. Oh, nice. And there's the host rock in the middle, and then you got these layers on it. Neat. All right, here, look at this. We've got at least the top part of it is a bit of a seam. I'm not sure if the seam continues through or if it's mostly volcanic. Interesting. I think it is mostly just the very top, though, that's the seam. But it's an interesting seam. It looks very different. Let's see if it's coming out of here, or if it's coming from further up there. Wow, very interesting rocks. Look at that. Yeah, the volcanic looks a fair bit different here. Okay, now that we're up here, is the light color just a lighter volcanic, or is it actually things going on? Interesting. Yeah, there's some definite alteration in the volcanics. You can see there's these thin little seams of quartz that run through it. Quite a lot of that. So, looks like lots of little seams. Nothing jumping out is really good. Let's take a closer look at this piece. Okay, that's some calcite right there. Kind of all through that. That's interesting. Interesting material. So I was just over there, came over here, and immediately a lot of white. First off, let's take a look at the big one. Right? Very white quartz. Does any of it, oh, that's a little bit more agate. See, that's getting a little clearer right there. What about right here? Okay, that's mostly just white. All right, so we're gonna be dealing with a lot of white, it looks like. We're gonna be trying to find a nice clearer material inside of it. That is a big chunk of white quartz. So you got some nice druzy along the side there. Yeah, and that edge right there, the banded part, that's not too bad. All right, moving on. Here's this one cut open. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's got some layering to it as it changed color. That's pretty neat. Hey, some clear chalcedony. Kind of an agate. Hey, we got some. So it's up here. It's up here. We just need to find where it's good. All right, I've hiked quite a bit. I was over there, I hiked along, came over, came down. There's not a lot here. Clear chalcedony wise, I didn't see much on the hill at all. So I figured let's get back down on the wash and see if we're getting some pieces. If we are, that means they're coming from somewhere, but possibly a bit of a more of a hike. Anyway, I did see a few pieces sitting around. There's a piece right there. Just a little piece of seam there. I see a larger piece right there. That's looking a little better. Much better. So it's got a little bit of banding along the edge. Can't tell. It looks like it's mostly going to be clear further in. But by far the biggest and best piece I have seen. All right, we got another piece looking right here. Yep, just a thin piece of seam. Not too bad. Great. Well, in that case, I'm just going to follow the wash up. And if it becomes really abundant, then I'll start looking more on the sides. So yeah, I think at least close to where we parked, there isn't a lot. It's mostly that white quartz. But get further up, there's bound to be good stuff. Here's this one cut open. Very nice. That's a decent piece. I'll take that. Ooh, is that potentially some green moss right there? Potentially. Well, it's mostly just little seams going through the green. I'm probably not gonna keep that. I don't think it's gonna have much in it really. But good signs. Seems to come in spurts. So down there is where I found those pieces, and then I didn't see like anything until here. Got a little piece, and then a much bigger one right there. So I guess they just kind of come in spurts. I do think it is coming from further up. Okay, that's gonna mostly be just clear. But you know, that's up here. The stuff is up here, decent sized. Question is how far, and based on how much time we really have left, I'm not sure if I should keep going up or go back and try the other way, because the other way gets us closer to where we were earlier. Yeah, I don't know. So we got a nice waterline piece here. Yeah, well, there you go. That's tumbled a little way, but it's not too terribly far. They're good size. All right, a little hard going through there. We'll go up and around here. I wonder if some of it's coming off this hill, because I'm not really seeing that side, but this side, maybe. Again, I have not seen anything for quite a while, other than like one little piece. So there's a good chance that it's coming out up in that area. A bit too much of a hike at this point in the day. Maybe something up there. So I think the smart thing, because nobody came up this way, others spread out to look at other places, I'm gonna head back down to where everybody else was and maybe go to the left up that way from here. Well, yeah, so far this area seems to be pretty sparse. It happens sometimes. Anyway, let's head on back down and see if we can catch up with others and see if they found anything. So I came back down. Darren's up here. He said he found some interesting things. I found this right coming up, and it's not quite just the white. It's starting to get a little bit more toward the clear, but still nothing I'd keep. But we'll go up and see what he's got. So Darren showed me that it was just another that piece, the stuff that I've been seeing. You know, it's mostly white. Sometimes the edge goes a little orange or reddish. You know, kind of some neat stuff, but not really a thing I wanted to keep. So we're actually gonna head back. We're almost back to the vehicle. We're gonna try some of those other spots I saw coming in. I haven't put them on the video. There's some places that I saw on the side that look kind of a grayish, not far from the road. We're gonna check some of those places. We'll see if there's anything good there. All right, so we've moved down to where the spot that had the gray. I really wanted to look at that, and already right up here, I've seen a couple different pieces of seam that are definitely clear with some white plumes along the edge. So they're probably coming out in this area, and I really want to go look at that area. So we're gonna look at that, maybe look a little around here and see what we get in this spot. So it extends from there to maybe a little around there. I figured I'd start here, and already a little piece of clear seam. I see something else right there. All right, a little bit more seam. Again, pretty much just clear. It's a decent start though. Makes you wonder what else will be here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of get in the middle area and then just work across. And when we come across something, there we go. Well, if that's not good enough to get you excited, I don't know what will. Wow. Quartz pocket, a little bit of banding on this outside. That's a good sign. This is more of that just kind of white quartz, it looks like. Yeah, that's just going to be white all the way through. Wow, that's neat. I think I see something over here. Is it just white, or is there something more going on deeper in? Well, maybe. I don't know. I'll hold on to it for now. Here's this interesting looking thing cut open. Okay. Mostly white, but there is a little bit going on in there. I found the big one right down there. Really nice. I found this coming up. That's nice too. But it's so weird because there's so little. Makes me wonder, where did it really come from? Did it somehow get washed and then washed down and deposited on the side? It's possible. But this is definitely an erosional surface. Is that something? Oh. Yep. That's something. That's seam with some white plume along the edge. All right. I'm gonna keep going up then. There was a little piece there, but that was a pretty big one. Oh, I see another piece. All right, not great, but it's something. Here's this one cut open. Looks like it should have some stalactites. Ah, it does. Sweet. That's a nice one. Well, another one. Still kind of few and far between. And that one's pretty thin. Huh, yeah. So little, but yet evidence of big stuff. Another piece of seam that might have a little bit more going on. Maybe a little. Okay, not much. And there's another piece that's pretty good size. Probably just clear. Still good size though. Where are you coming from? Maybe I need to go up further. Here's this one cut open. This side broke. All right, it's got some decent banding. Ooh, multiple things, because you got quartz crystal and then it went back to more of the microcrystalline and a little bit of waterline. That's cool. So I met up with Darren. He checked that area, didn't really see hardly anything. And once I got past about here, I didn't really see anything either. So I came back in and already a little bit of the seam with white plume along the edge. So somewhere around in here, we are getting stuff coming out. So, all right. Here's this piece of seam cut open. All right, we got some pluming along the edge. Nice. So I came back a fair bit, so that's kind of where I started, was right there. And now it's picking back up again. I'm getting more pieces. There's a piece there, one down there, and there. Anyway, still mostly clear. Here's this one cut open. I can see some banding and waterline. Mostly larger quartz crystal. So I continue to find little pieces of white clear seam. Still not much, but this one's a little bigger, so I figured let's take a closer look at that. Okay, yeah, not much going on. Something really shiny right here, really sparkly. Look at that. That's neat, huh? Bunch of little quartz crystals that grew on the volcanic right there. Very sparkly. We've transitioned from that lighter color into this darker, and again I'm seeing little bits of seam, but this looked a little different, so I figured I'd take a closer look at it. All right, it's just a seam right there on the top of the volcanic. But yeah, it got a bit darker here. You can see some of it's kind of this like low grade obsidian. Yeah. So interesting. Well, not much in this area. I think a lot of it did actually kind of wash down from somewhere else. So anyway, we're gonna move on. We're getting, not a lot of daylight left. On the way out though, Darren has a spot we'll check out that's closer to Arco. We'll just see if there's anything there. Probably won't do much there, but we'll see. We'll take a look when we get there. Here's this one cut open. Decent piece of seam, and it keeps going with the decent, with some white plume along the edge. Nice. Here's this piece of seam cut open. Oh, good. Those are some good plumes, and the clarity in the middle is really nice. So we were gonna maybe go to one last place before we're out, but
Yeah, that's the one.
it's late enough that I'm rather just go home. It's after 6. Got a bit of a drive to get back, so we're just gonna call it here for this one, but I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, remember, there's treasure everywhere.